Hi everyone, this is Kai from Tizaw. Today I will show you how to export all open tabs from your Chrome browser. You can use these tricks on other browsers, such as example you can use it Brave browser, Microsoft Edge browser, or Mozilla Firefox browser, any other browser. Let's get started. Sometimes we have required open so many tabs uh, at a times, uh, re, uh, but paste all tabs one by one is too much boring task. That's why you can use these tricks. I'm opening one Chrome browser, then type Chrome Web Store, then go to this URL, then search extension and themes here, search active, sorry, active tab exporter for Chrome. Press add to Chrome, then press add extension. Here, active tab exporter for Chrome activated. Then I am pin this extension. Then now we are export to open tab here. Just press this icon. First time you have to check select any option from here. You can I am selecting here include all Chrome windows. Then get tab URLs. Look, currently open tab URLs here. One is Chrome Web Store, this one, and another one is this one. I'm press again here, include all Chrome Windows, then recently here open this tab. Now I can copy from here, press this button, copy to clipboard or export text file or CSV or JSON file. Whatever you want, you can export from here. That's it. Thanks again for watching this video.